Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be installing an Armorsuit screen protector on my reflection on my iPhone 14 Pro here. Hey there, just wanted to take a second to talk about channel partner Mint. If you need good, low-cost wireless without that pesky monthly bill, check out Mint. They have great low-cost plans at 3, 6, and 12 months, and all different kinds of data packages with unlimited talk and text. Check out Mint and the link down below. See, so this is a 2-pack, and the Armorsuits are a wet install screen protector, so you do have your installation solution right here, and your microfiber cloth and squeegee. And then we have your screen protectors right here. Let's see. Take one of them out. One of them out. Put that one up there for now. Alright, let's see where the top is right here. So it looks like got that. Have our island cut out right there on the top. Alright, so right here, let me see, I'm gonna clean this off first with some whoosh spray. All right. And I'm just going to use their microfiber cloth to dry it the rest of the way, even though we're about to spray that spray on there. Right, get that ready. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is spray your fingers. And the screen. Let's see. And we're going to put it down like so. I'm going to move it over here off camera real quick to line it up just so I can see what I'm doing. Alright. Let's see. That looks to be pretty good. I'll work some of that liquid out without moving it. Towel here, just kind of dry up the excess. Make sure we didn't move too much. We like to be pretty lined up. Right. got some streaks on it, but it'll take about 24 hours to fully dry and cure on there. So if you're going to put a case on or anything like that, I would wait 24 hours before you do that so it doesn't peel up at the edges or anything like that. Let's get that stuff off there. Alright, there we go. All installed. Looks like it's pretty well lined up with our island up there. The island does move, so it's, not always going to be lined up, but it looks pretty good to me. So that is the Armor Shield wet install screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.